Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will tell you about a website called Squarespace. This website is used for designing your own websites. If you want any kind of website, you can create it here and have it within minutes. So, let's show you. Get started. Well, first of all, we need to choose what kind of website we want. So, let's say that we choose this or something else. This. We choose the colors. I like this, so start with this design. You will have to wait for a minute. Okay, this isn't really good, so again. So now it works. So continue, get started. So it was really fast, wasn't it? Now we have our own website. You can edit it. This is your main website, and let's name our website somehow. So Giga Seller. Okay, elevated spatial design. So let's say that we're some design company and we want to promote our services here. We would replace these images with our own and replaces these texts with our own. And we can also, change anything we want. So right now, let's exit edit mode and let's look at the navigation. You can see here the service, gallery, story, and contact. So let's look at our gallery. As you can see, it looks really, really good. It's satisfying, and there's also a contact form that you can fill and at anything you want. You will have to obviously replace all these images and everything with your own. Let's look at a story. Again, it's really nicely designed, and all you need to do is replace these texts, and then it will work. There's absolutely nothing you need to do. You can see this is a footer, this is our header. You can also change the styles, which is really important. You can change your colors. You can change these are palette colors. And for example, you see that this looks really bad. So let's make it even worse. Well, this is good. Let's change this. Okay. And now we have really bad looking website. Congratulations. Let's change everything to pink and yellow. It's really sad that it looks good. I tried to make it really badly looking. So let's save it. And exit. Now you will see that the whole style changed. And everything is different. So let's look at how you can actually change these texts. It's really easy. Again, you just click on this and design your home with us. Here again, like you can change anything, you can write anything here. Yeah. Within minutes, you can have your own website. Why would you pay someone professional when you can create your own, right? Yeah, it's that easy. So let's look how what you can change again here, like animations. We can choose what kind of animation we want, so we can change it. So if you want to fade, then okay, but maybe you want to scale. So everything kind of appears here. I feel like this is really good looking. Or slide. Actually, everything looks kind of good. Don't you think? I think it really looks great. This one looks also good, so let's choose this. No, medium. So I feel that slow is kind of fitting. So this is our sound styles. Now we can change up the font a little bit. Let's change it. Oh, this looks horrific, man. Heading. Again, this all look worse, but this one is looking kind of good and really good. Oh, this one is. These are. This one is good looking, so let's save it. I'm quite satisfied with the look of this website. So we can preview it. Here is our gallery, with new animations we've chosen. Story, contact. I guess that if you are a design company, that's all you need. You want to link your services that you have? Well, show them gallery, your history, what you did, and then contact. That's all you need. Now we can create our own website. With Squarespace, you can obviously create even websites that have, shopping carts and products and everything. You can create any kind of website, and it's really that fast. So, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.